Hi again, and welcome to today's SolidWorks video. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to create a swept boss base. To create a swept boss base, you need to have two sketches. You need to have a profile sketch and a path sketch. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw those two sketches. So as usual, in the dialog box here, you'll see a message that says, where do you want to create the sketch? In this case, I would like to draw a sketch. Going to create a kind of a loop here, which starts on the top of this boss, extends down, and comes down to this face here. I'm going to start on this face, and I like to sketch an ellipse. I'll use the normal to view up here so that I'm looking down onto the work, and I'm going to find the center line of this, and I'm going to come in and start my ellipse here and here. So that's my profile. So now that I've finished my sketch, I'll click the tick or the OK button, and I'll exit the sketch. I'm just going to rename that sketch to profile. Okay, now I'm going to draw the path, and I'm going to do it on this front plane here. So once again, I'm going to use the normal to place that plane where I want it. I'll zoom out just a touch, and I'll go to sketch, and I'm going to select the front plane to sketch on. Now I'm just going to use this spline tool, and I'm going to start in the middle of the ellipse there, and I'm just going to finish here on that plane there. Now that I've sketched the path, I'm going to click Exit Sketch, and I'm just going to rename this sketch to Path. Having two sketches here, I can now go to the Features tab, select Swept Box Base, and you'll see here I've got these two boxes to fill. One of them is the profile, which is this sketch here, profile, and the other one is the path, which is this sketch here, the path. As you can see in my preview, the profile has followed the path, and I've got this nice attachment. To complete that, click on the tick, and you'll see there I have it. I have made a swept boss base. If you liked this video, thank you for watching. I'm going to show some other interesting features in upcoming videos. I look forward to working with you then.